Hola chicas malas, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing my full beauty maintenance routine, everything I do to keep myself feeling fresh, rejuvenated, confident, and ready to stun on these hoes. I'm going to be covering nails, toes, facials, lashes, laser hair removal, skincare, and of course, my makeup practice. I know it sounds like a lot, but I've got it all broken down into manageable steps, and I can't wait to share it with you, so let's get right into it. First things first, let's talk about my nails and toes. Look at how bad these look. And I got an OPI nail polish. It's like a rosy pink color, so I'm gonna go with that for my nails and toes so that I can keep them maintained. I was gonna go to the nail salon, but then I didn't want to wait in line, and it was a whole thing. So for my nails, I usually go for kind of the gel polish look. So I just will paint those pink, and I'm not going to cut my cuticle. I never cut my cuticle because then it causes my skin to peel right there. But I try to trim and file my nails regularly, and sometimes I'll go to the salon, but I just didn't feel like going. So I'm gonna do rosy pink. And for my toes, I'm gonna do the same rosy pink color. I'm gonna start off by clipping my toenails. I am a runner. I go running maybe about once or twice a week, so my feet go through a lot. And I might make a video about my shoe collection soon, but spring is coming up, so I do want to start maintaining my feet a little bit better. So I'm just going to paint my toes, and then when I'm done, I'm going to put my favorite lotion on there. I actually might do a spot treatment on any of the spots on my toes, because when I go running, sometimes my feet do rub up against my shoes. Like I notice my ankles, they rub against my tennis shoes. I do wear ankle socks, and so my ankle is not protected from when I run on my shoes. So my ankles, they can get kind of dry and they can get like marks and stuff like that. So I'm gonna do a little spot treatment with my Pixie Glow. That is something that I got in a PR package a while back. I love the Pixie Glow products. So I'm just gonna put that on the spots on my foot. Now on to skincare. I always make sure to treat myself to a facial every month or so. So I'm just gonna pick my favorite facial, and I will put everything that I use up on the screen. But first I'm going to do my cleansing. So I just found this aloe vera cleansing wash, and I love this brand. I love these products. I think it's like a K-beauty product or something, but it's aloe vera. So I'm going to wash my face with this. Normally I don't do gel cleansers because they dry out my skin, but I'm just going to wash my face, and then when I'm done, I'm going to mix my facial and start to apply it to my skin. This really helps to keep my skin glowing and clear. So my favorite types of facials are the ones that kind of clear out your pores. So the bentonite clay ones, the ones where you put apple cider vinegar in them. Apple cider vinegar balances the pH of your skin. So it acts as a natural brightening agent. It gets rid of hyperpigmentation. And if you want to, you actually could use a jade roller or a rose quartz roller or some sort of gua sha to kind of like depuff your face and get that lymphatic drainage going. So that way your face doesn't look bloated. Your face actually can look puffier than normal, especially if you have allergies. So it can cause your sinuses and your nose area to kind of look a little bit bigger. It could make your cheeks look fuller. It could make the bottom part of your face fuller, almost like to where you have a double chin. So doing the gua sha and the rolling, that really helps to kind of get rid of all that buildup underneath your skin. So now I'm going to go ahead and do my lashes. I told you guys I've been using my lash serum that I made on my own. Like I ordered some from Shein, and then I mixed in my own special oils. So maybe I'll talk about that in another video. But I wanted to experiment with these self-adhesive lashes this time. So I'm just going to apply these with the tweezers, and I'm going to put them in strategic areas. I don't know how these are going to turn out. I've tried them a couple of times and they have fallen off before. And that's because I have a very active lifestyle. So I do lots of working out, lots of sweating. I go outside in the sun and stuff like that. So I don't know how these are going to hold up, but at least I can wear them to the event tonight, and we'll see if they last this weekend. I am going to be vlogging this weekend. So I have a boot camp in the morning. So let's see if these last through the boot camp. They might fall off by then, but I'm just applying them to the base of my lashes. I don't like the ones where you have to glue them on. So I'm just doing the self-adhesive ones. And I also don't like the strip lashes, because with strip lashes, if it starts to fall off, your whole entire lash is gone. Like your whole thing is hanging off. Whereas at least with these, if one of them falls off, you can just pick it off and then just keep going about your day. Like, you still have some other ones left on your eyelashes, so it doesn't look as bad as how the strips do. I've seen women looking crazy with the strip eyelashes, so that's why I chose these. And I know a lot of girls get their lashes professionally done, but I do not have the time. I'm not going to sit on a chair for 2 hours and then my lashes fall out within like 10 days. I'm not doing that. I just don't have time for that. So I've been liking this so far because you can actually carry these self-adhesive lashes in your purse. And then if you're at the mall or if you're out somewhere, you can just go in the bathroom and just pop one back on if one of them falls off. So I like that. Honestly, it's all about enhancing what I already have. It makes such a difference in how wide and awake my eyes look, especially when I post on Instagram. Now let's talk about laser hair removal. If you guys have been following me, you know that I swear by laser hair removal. I actually got my own device, so I'm going to be doing laser hair removal in my chest area because yes, I do have hair like everywhere. I'm a hairy person, okay? So I have hair everywhere. So I've been removing the hair on my arms, on my armpits, on my chest, maybe even my sideburns. And then if you go into the spa to get yours done, you could always use this in between your spa visits. So I just turn it on to the lowest setting. I turn it on to setting number 1, and I put on my glasses to make sure that I'm not like getting that light in my eyes. And then I just go ahead and do my laser hair removal. This has helped me so much. It makes my skin look so flawless. It makes my skin glisten in the sun. Like when I go out in the sun, when I put on my body shimmers and my body oil and stuff, my skin looks perfect. I get so many compliments on my skin, especially since I have been doing this laser hair removal. But I'm also going to do my eye cream, my lip balm. I'm going to put a little bit of a facial mist on. I love adding this eye cream. I actually use this more expensive eye cream to reduce the puffiness and the dark circles. So I like to use that one. It's a more expensive one. But your skin is a lifelong investment. So I keep it simple but effective. So for tonight, I'm going to be doing a strawberry shortcake makeup look with this strawberry shortcake palette that I have. So think fresh, dewy skin, rosy cheeks, soft pinks, and pops of strawberry red. It's perfect for the spring and summer or whenever you want to feel like a sweet little treat. So I'm already starting off with this dewy base. Strawberry shortcake is all about fresh, glowing skin. I'm using a hydrating primer this time to give my skin that healthy glow. And now for the fun part, blush. We want to make our cheeks look nice and flushed, like you've been out picking strawberries in the sun. So I'm going with a soft pink blush that has a little bit of a sheen to it. And if you don't have a sheen blush, you can just mix in some sparkles or mix in your highlighter with your blush. So I'm gonna apply the blush in a more rounded shape for the cute doll-like effect. I'm not swooping the blush upwards. I'm just keeping it in that circular motion, almost like a Cabbage Patch doll. So I want a cute dolly effect. And I'm gonna add a touch to the tip of my nose. This gives the cute, I've been out in the sun picking strawberries aesthetic. It's so subtle, but it really adds to that innocent appearance. Next, we're gonna do the eyes. We're going for a soft pink. We're going for soft peach colors, but I'm gonna add a little bit of definition to make them pop. I'm starting with a light pink shadow all over my lid. You can also go for a light peachy tone if you want it a bit warmer, but the idea is to keep it soft and natural. Now I'm using a slightly darker pink or berry shade in the crease to add depth. I'm keeping this really blended so it looks soft and seamless. You can also use your eyeshadow as an eyeliner. So you can use the darker color and just put it around the upper lash line or maybe even the lower lash line. Nothing too dramatic. And my eyelashes are already done. I'm just going to add some mascara to my bottom lashes for a little more volume. And I will turn to the side and give you guys a peek at how my eyelashes look from a side angle. Now for the highlight. I'm using a soft champagne toned highlighter. I'm applying it to the high points of my face, down the bridge of my nose, and on my cupid's bow. Just a little bit on the cupid's bow though. For the lips, I'm using a soft strawberry pink tint. The goal is to make the lips look juicy and fresh, like you just had a sweet strawberry treat. You want your lips to look like strawberries. I'm going for a gradient lip look, and I'm just gonna lightly blot it to make it look even more natural and seamless. But you can also add a little gloss for an extra touch of sweetness. And this is the final look, and this is my outfit. She's giving strawberry shortcake. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you recreate the look, make sure to tag me on social media at Blaxican Baddie. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.